Welcome in online teaching video. I am BN sir. I am a mathematics teacher of the school VBSS Bilya Chaurasta, district Bhojpur, state Bihar. Today I am going to teach about criteria for similarity of triangles. First of all, we will know about similar figures. Similar figures. Two figures having same shape but different size are known as similar triangles. Two figures which have same shape but their size are different. Suppose this is a line segment. This is also a line segment. This is a smaller and this is larger. But both are line segment. Your figure is the shape of figure is same, but their size are different. One is larger and one is smaller. Another example. This is triangle and this is also triangle. Both are triangles, so we can say that the shape of both figures is same. But we see that one is smaller and other is larger. So their size is different. Another example. This is circle and this is also circle. Here we see that the shape of both figure is same, but their size are not same. Suppose this is triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF. If in triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, then we can say that A corresponds to D. A corresponds to D. B corresponds to E and C corresponds to F. A corresponds to D, B corresponds to E and C corresponds to F. Here the symbol congruent. Here symbol similar. Stands for similar to, similar to, it will be read as similar to. This symbol will be read as similar to. Now I am going to focus about criteria for similarity of triangles. We know that two triangles having same shape but different size are known as similar triangles. Suppose triangle ABC, first is triangle ABC and other is triangle DEF. Criteria for similarity of two triangles we are going to teach. Suppose ABC and DEF are two triangles. Suppose triangle ABC and triangle DEF are two triangles. Two triangles. They will be similar when number one, they have equal angles, corresponding angle. Number one, two triangles are similar if they have same corresponding angles. Suppose triangle ABC are two similar triangles. They will be similar when the corresponding angles, their corresponding angles are equal. By figure, angle A is equal to angle D. Because you know that angle A corresponds to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle D. This is the first property of similar triangle. Both triangle will be two triangles. The first property of similar triangle is that their corresponding angles are equal. By figure, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. Number two, their corresponding sides, their corresponding sides are in same ratio or proportion. By figure, if AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF, then triangle ABC will be similar to triangle DEF. And we can write it triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. These are two properties for similarity of two triangles. Theorem number 6.3. If in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence the two triangles are similar. Suppose we have given two triangles ABC first, DEF second. In these triangles, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. We have to prove that both triangles are same. Given in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. To prove triangle ABC congruent, triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Construction. Take AB is equal to DP and DQ is equal to AC. In D, cut DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. Join PQ. Construction. Cut DP is equal to AB and PQ is equal to AC. Join PQ. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ, angle A is equal to angle D. Hence, triangle ABC congruent triangle DPQ by SAS. So, angle B equal to angle P, but angle B is equal to angle E given. Hence, angle B is equal to angle P is equal to E. Angle P is equal to angle E. Here, angle B is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to E. So, angle P is equal to angle E. In triangle DPQ and larger triangle DEF, angle P is equal to angle E. Angle P is equal to angle E. And these angles are corresponding angles. Hence, DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF. DQ by DF. By Third theorem. Or DP. We know that DP is equal to AB. So, AB by DE is equal to DQ, AC by DF. Similarly, AB by D is equal to BC by EF. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF, and angle A बराबर angle D, angle B बराबर angle C, angle E, angle C is equal to angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Hence, triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. This theorem is known as AAA. I shall meet you next video. Thanks.